Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Leo. Leo loved to play outside, but sometimes he forgot to take care of nature. One sunny day, Leo was walking in the park, munching on a yummy apple. When he finished, he just dropped the apple core on the green grass and ran off to play near a sparkling blue river. That night, Leo had a very strange dream. In his dream, the tall green trees looked sad, with droopy leaves. A fluffy brown bunny, with big round eyes, was hopping around, trying to pick up Leo's apple core with its little paws. A wise old owl, with feathery wings, was gently nudging a crumpled paper with its beak. Even the sparkling river seemed a little cloudy. Leo watched in his dream, as the kind animals worked hard to clean up the mess he had left behind. The fluffy bunny hopped over to a shiny candy wrapper and tried to push it along the path. The wise old owl carefully picked up a plastic bottle cap and flew to put it in a pile. The tall green trees swayed gently, as if they were sighing. When Leo woke up, the sun was shining brightly. He remembered his dream and felt a little sad. He knew that the park was home to the fluffy bunnies, the wise old owls, and the tall green trees. He didn't want them to be sad because of his mess. Leo decided to go back to the park. He brought a little blue bag with him. As he walked, he saw a few pieces of trash on the ground. He bent down and carefully put each piece into his blue bag. He felt happy, knowing he was helping to keep the park clean and beautiful for everyone, including the fluffy bunnies and wise old owls. From that day on, Leo always remembered to put his trash in the bin. He even started picking up any litter he saw in the park. The tall green trees seemed to sway with happiness. The fluffy bunnies hopped with joy, and the wise old owls hooted with approval. Leo learned that taking care of nature is important because even little things can make a big difference. Did you know that trees help us breathe by giving us the clean air we need?
Please subscribe. Thank you.